Learn English through jokes. Funny riddles. What do you get if you cross a cow with a Smurf? Blue cheese. What did the baseball say to the cake batter? Batter up. What happened to the bedbugs who fell in love? They got married in the spring. What's a cow's favorite drink? Lemonade. Why was the little bird punished? It was caught peeping in school. What's the strongest animal in the ocean? Mussels. What is a volcano? A mountain with hiccups. What becomes smaller when you turn it upside down? The number 9. Why did the student bring scissors to class? He wanted to cut class. Why is arithmetic hard work? All those numerals you have to carry. What is the biggest word in the world? Smiles. There is a mile in between each S. Why did the boy scream when he opened the fridge? Because he saw the salad dressing. Where does a 600-pound gorilla sit? Anywhere he wants. What always runs, never walks, often murmurs, never talks, has a bed but doesn't sleep, has a mouth but never eats? A river. What do birds get when they are ill? Treatment. Why did Tigger look in the bathroom? To find poo. What starts and ends with an O and has high in the middle? Ohio. What do you call a chicken crossing the road? Poultry in motion. What kind of chickens lay golden eggs? Golden chicks. What goes around and around but never gets dizzy? Planet Earth. Why did the snake get a detention? Because he was whispering. What did the fish say when it swam into a wall? Damn. What's black and white and can climb trees? A panda. Why can't computers play tennis? They try to surf the net. What is green and hangs off trees? Giraffe snot. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.